Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn Bosnian stitch, which is a very simple stitch. We'll work this stitch in parallel lines. Start at the bottom line. I am using 3 strands of thread and diagonally go to a nearby point in the top line. Insert the needle and take it out in the bottom line in a straight way like this and pull over. You will get a diagonal stitch, and once again insert the needle on the top line and take it out on the bottom line in the same points. Now you will be getting a straight stitch. We have finished the first stitch and going to the next stitch. Once again insert the needle on the top line in a diagonal position like this and take it out on the bottom line in a straight position and pull over. Now you will be getting the diagonal stitch. Once again insert the needle at the same points from top line to the bottom line and pull over. Now you will be getting a straight stitch. Once again insert the needle diagonally on the top line and take it out on the bottom line in a straight way. Now we will be getting the diagonal stitch. Once again from the top line to bottom line in the same points we will be getting the straight stitch. I hope you are clear about the stitch. We will do the same stitches throughout these parallel lines. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And now I have finished the line completely, and this is the back view of the stitch. You will be getting straight lines in the back view. I have shared other basic embroidering stitches video links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.